So it's a Kapil Sharma show. So tell me now,
Oh
the
my
fun part,
God, no.
the fire round,
Somebody just got me now.
the fire rounds. Like what's
Stop
happening?
it,
Give me
stop
some controversy.
Controversy for what? What
What's happening in Mumbai?
Mumbai is great. What do you want in Mumbai? The SF got stabbed. That's the latest controversy. I don't know. I hope you're not going to stab me with your questions.
आपके बारे में कहाँ से हैं आप?
मैं कहाँ से हूँ? मैं मुंबई से हूँ.
मुंबई से हो। और कब से आप ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री के अंदर हैं?
I'm there since what 2002.
2002. And अभी आपने किस किस कंपनी के लिए काम किया?
So I have worked with Thomas Cook for the corporate travel sector since 2010, I would rather say. Then I was in a sabbatical. I did my freelancing. Then I joined Vibe Holidays, and now again I'm back to freelancing.
So you guys do more FIT or more fixed departure?
So as a freelancer, FITs, and I do promote fixed departures also.
So when you say freelance, like as a tour manager or?
No, so basically I assist to B2Bs and B2C clients. So and any requirement in terms of their aligning in terms of any requirements, it's transfers or
And how you think?
Contracting in terms of restaurants are concerned, or they need sightseeing tickets, be it anything.
You do like complete world or specific part, like Europe only or Asia only?
So mainly into Europe.
Mainly to Europe. And why Europe?
It's interesting. It has lots to offer.
And what kind of clients, like coming from cities, is only from Mumbai or?
So I have a clientele maximum from Mumbai, and then probably they are living somewhere in US and all, and they have their counterparts in Mumbai. So yeah, so it's more of a family-oriented and a business-oriented crowd. That's what I deal with.
These people choose more FIT or fixed departure?
More into an FIT customized thing.
It's a budget friendly if we go for fixed departure or?
Not completely budget friendly because everybody has their own set of requirements to think. But knowing the Mumbai market and the business circle, yes, they are okay to spend a bit if the product is good, services are good. So even fixed departures, we've seen it more from the clientele what I have. The senior citizens or with kids, they would prefer a fixed departure. But generally the crowd trend which we've seen is more of a FIT, which they need their comfort.
It's why they're so much specific about food.
I think Indians only thrive on food rather than sightseeing.
They don't want to try local food.
No, they don't really prefer local food because of preset mind that what they have. Ideally, they are very comfortable. So they believe that if they've eaten well, the food is well, they probably enjoy this. Particularly want to explore into the student arena.
Students, okay. Yeah, I see like from after COVID, like I see like a lot of university, like we have a group from Delhi Public School, we have group from Goenka Public School. So these school trips are going on. Exchange program, yeah. They come for like 5 to 6 days. Maybe they cover Paris and Brussels only because Brussels have a lot of history about. So they go Paris and Brussels, and they want us like they have to visit some companies. They have to see how local students are doing their
exchange program. So my whole idea is to now target into exchange program driven with a sightseeing. So it's not only an exchange. So not necessarily these students need to be staying in the host families. They can stay in hostels or apartments, and that's how they connect. So that's what the whole idea for me is now to go into the student section.
And how you're thinking about like Gen Z population are traveling these days? Like they go for very small trip, like three days to Paris or?
Yeah, so they do not want an elaborate tour. They want something which is more into experimenting and fun related thing, which of course they would like to explore the historical arenas also, but they need something more quick.
Okay. Someone told me you're joining this year. Is this true or not?
So yeah, Amir. So good. You offering me?
Yes.
What
I can open on camera. So tell me, like,
is calling me right now.
So about your experience, like you are good with more operation or more sales or?
What do you think you want me to do?
More sales. We are looking. Everyone looking for money, right?
Everyone's looking at money.
फिर आपको होटल आएंगे. Tegna join we share.
Stop it.
Tegna taking care of Mumbai.
That's the gossip.
Mumbai departure.
That's the gossip you have.